How to copy my WhatsApp messages to a new phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to copy my WhatsApp messages to a new phone. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now, tap on Settings from the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, tap on Chats from the list. Next, tap on Chat Backup to back up your messages to the cloud. Then go back and tap on Export Chat if you want to export individual chats. Now, tap on Export Chat again and choose how you want to save or send the chat file. Here, you can do it for any chat that you want to keep separately. Next, go back and tap on Move Chats to Android if you're switching to an Android phone. Now, tap on Start to begin the transfer process. As you can see, it's preparing your data to move. Wait until your Android device shows a message that is ready and tells you that you can disconnect the cable. Then, go back and tap on Transfer Chats to iPhone if you're moving to an iPhone instead. Now tap on Start and follow the steps. Finally, scan the QR code on your new iPhone to complete the transfer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.